You want to be a faster coder in Unity with C#? This tip is going to save you so much time. You're going to be building games so much faster than everybody else. You're going to win every single code jam, game jam, hackathon out there because you can write code faster than anybody else out there with this single tip. Check this out. Okay, so we're in MonoDevelop. This will also work in Visual Studio, but I'm gonna use MonoDevelop right now because that's what I have open already. Okay, so let's say we wanted to create a new vector 3. We can just do v3 and hit space. Boom, we have a vector 3. This is code completions. So when we start typing out some code, we can see that a list of possible things that start with a V pop up. Whichever one is highlighted, when we hit space, that's the one that's gonna go in. So let's say we wanted to do a public, just PUB, game object, just GAM. And we're gonna call it player, and there. Cool. We want a rigid body, RI, rigid body, boom. Space will autocomplete whatever is highlighted. You don't have to grab the mouse and click it. You don't have to hit return. Just hitting space to go to the next thing that you're gonna type will autocomplete whatever is selected in that list. IEnumerator, boom, done. And you can also, scroll down with the arrow keys and hit return. That's what I did with that one because IEnumerable was the one that came up first, but this is really gonna save you guys some time. And if you like this tip, subscribe to the channel. We have tons more stuff like this. And like the video, add a comment down below if there's other tips that you have found when creating Unity games that make the process of writing your code faster, or maybe managing game objects or whatever. Any tips at all, I would love to see them and maybe I'll shoot a video about it. All right, we'll see you in the next one.